So, let me ask you something. What if you could run a viral social media account without ever showing your face? Yeah, no camera anxiety, no filming setup, no awkward retakes, no spending hours trying to look Instagram perfect. And what if your account looked like it was run by a stunning, hyper-realistic influencer, posting daily, engaging followers, and growing fast? That's exactly what Imimic claims to do. Today, we're diving into Imimic, the AI-powered virtual influencer creator that's been getting a lot of attention lately. And I'm going to break down what it is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth your time. First, what is Imimic? Imimic is a cloud-based AI platform that lets you create your own virtual influencer. And I don't mean cartoon avatars. I'm talking about realistic, human-looking digital personalities that can generate photos, videos, talking clips, even trending social content. Yes, AI influencers. Now, before you roll your eyes, think about this. Virtual influencers are already huge. Brands are working with them, accounts are growing rapidly, and the crazy part, there's no real human behind the camera. Imimic basically gives you the tools to build one of these from scratch. Here's how it works. You start by creating your AI character. You choose the look, the style, the vibe, fitness model, travel blogger, luxury lifestyle creator. You control the identity. Then the platform generates content for you, realistic photos in different settings, AI-generated videos, even lip-synced speaking content. And because it's AI, you don't need photo shoots, you don't need locations, you don't need equipment. Everything runs inside your browser. Now here's where it gets interesting. Imimic doesn't just create static images, it allows you to produce engaging social media-ready content designed for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. That means you can build a content pipeline without ever stepping in front of a camera. For introverts, that's powerful. For agencies, that's scalable. For marketers, that's opportunity. And let's be honest, content creation is exhausting. Filming, editing, retakes, lighting, makeup, scheduling. Imimic removes almost all of that. Now, is this magic? No. You still need strategy, you still need consistency, and you still need to understand your niche. But what Imimic does is eliminate the biggest bottleneck, production. Another thing worth mentioning, it's cloud-based. No downloads, no complicated software. You log in and start creating. And from what's shown, it supports multiple characters, so you're not limited to one persona. You could theoretically build an entire network of AI influencers. Imagine running 5 accounts at once without hiring 5 creators. That's where the business angle comes in. Now, if you're someone who loves being on camera and building a personal brand around yourself, this might not replace that. Authentic human connection still matters. But if your goal is automation, scaling, or testing niches without exposing your identity, this is very interesting. Of course, like any AI tool, it's not a push-button, get-rich-tomorrow system. You'll still need to refine prompts, experiment with content styles, and understand your audience. But the concept, it's smart. The market is moving toward AI-assisted content. Brands want volume, algorithms reward consistency, and tools like Imimic help you keep up without burning out. So, here's the big question. Is Imimic worth trying? If you're curious about virtual influencers, if you want to build faceless content brands, or if you just want to experiment with AI-generated social growth, then yes, it's definitely something worth exploring. And if you want to check it out, I've left a link below in the description so you can see the full details for yourself. As always, do your research, make sure it aligns with your goals, and don't expect miracles without effort. But if you're ready to step into the future of content creation, Imimic might just be your shortcut. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you ever run a virtual influencer account? I'm curious. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.